Hello everyone, my name is Stone and welcome to my another video. Okay, today we are going to test a screen A2338. So we can see A338 is 13, number 13. So first step, we put the power and we turn it up. Now the number is 08, so we need to move up to 13. Then we use the enter button to confirm it. We hear a sound, so we turn it off. Then we connect the LCD cable to the screen. This step we must to be very careful. And the second, we turn it up again and we press the enter button to confirm. We hear a sound and then we press the power button and we see the light is from red to yellow. Finally, the screen is lighting up and we can use the up and down button to change different color and see if there are any problems with the screen. Yeah, the screen is perfect. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.